Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a document using Adobe Sign. First, you will receive an email with a link to the document requiring your signature. Click on this link to open the document securely in your web browser. Adobe Sign guides you through each step, making the process straightforward and efficient. You can complete the signing process in just a few minutes, saving you time and effort. Once you click the link in the email, the document will open directly in your web browser. Take a moment to thoroughly review all pages and sections of the document. Ensure that all information is accurate and complete before proceeding. Adobe Sign provides a clear interface, allowing you to easily navigate through the document. This step is crucial to confirm you agree with the terms. To apply your signature, simply click on the designated signature field within the document. Adobe Sign offers 3 convenient options for creating your signature. You can type your name, draw your signature using your mouse or touchscreen, or even upload an image of your handwritten signature. Select the method that works best for you, then place your signature precisely where it needs to be. Once all required fields are completed and your signature is applied, click the Apply button to confirm. Then, locate and click the Click to Sign or Submit button to finalize the document. Adobe Sign will then process your submissions securely. You will typically receive a confirmation email within a few moments, containing a copy of the fully executed document for your records. This completes the signing process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.